So what is up, guys? Once again, welcome back to LDGaming. So in today's video, so guys can see we have a bunch of stuff here. So we will be talking about this, and obviously since as you guys can see, this is a full build, so we will be building a PC on the upcoming video. So you should subscribe to LDGaming. That's youtube.com/c/LDGaming. For YouTube, for Facebook, it's facebook.com/LDG for life. For Twitch, it's twitch.tv/LDG for life. So, without further ado, let's dive in.
LDGaming.
On top, we have the new Ryzen 5 3600. So this will be the processor that we'll be using for Mark's build. Actually, this is for a friend's build, so shout out to Mark. I'll put his Twitch down below. So for our boot drive, we will be using the 850 EVO from Samsung. This will be our SSD, so we have fast response times. Next is the PSU. So we got this for a deal at Lazada. This is a Cooler Master Watt 650, and it's bronze certified, so it's really a good power supply to start with. For our GPU, it's the 5700 XT, the newest one from MSI. It's the mech edition. And what's different about this one is that it has this new backplate design from MSI. Also the revamped revamped cooler from MSI. And still using the Torx fan, but this one is the third version, which is revised, which is better compared to the Gaming X Trio. So next, this is from my girlfriend. It's the base station from King Baby. I love you. So next, the main unit, the newest X570 from MSI, the MPG Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. So this will be the newest chipset, the X570. So we'll be using PCI 4.0, guys. So it will be blazing fast, not only for our load times, but for our read times and gaming performance as well. And the one casing all of this is the heavy N60 H710i, the newest one, guys. So it's the biggest one. I actually expected it's the 5 series, but apparently Mark chose the biggest one and the most absurd one actually. So there you have it. So we will be using this to house everything. This all AMD build that he will be using for productivity, gaming, and streaming and research. What else do we have? So we have, wait a minute. So we have GPU risers, just miscellaneous stuff. PSU extension cables for vertical mounts. What else? We have, actually this is open, a M.2 boot drive from WD, a hard drive for PC, actually for normal PC usage, and some server grade hard drives. Anyway, so there you have it, guys. I'll put the links down below. I'll put the Amazon affiliate links down below. So if you like this content, please give it a like, and please subscribe to LDGaming. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, guys.